Hello everyone and welcome to a nice wet Wales. It is absolutely thrashing down outside. You might be able to hear it on the air shelter. I have retreated inside because I'm not aquatic. So we're going to do the unboxing of a Petromax Dutch oven, the FT6. The one with no feet in my case, because that suits me better. I'll spin the camera around and we'll have a look at that. Okay, so let's open the box of the Petromax FT6 Dutch oven. There is a FT1, an FT3, an FT4.5, an FT6, an FT9, an FT12 and a monster FT18. That's around 18 litres. That is a big pot. If you consider that you'll be able to see this one in a second, which is an FT6, which is around 6 litres, roughly speaking. So, a set of instructions, some cardboard packaging, get rid of that out of the way, the lid, which in itself you can use as a frying pan or a skillet. That's the lid. When these have been on a fire or any other heat source, and they do get very hot eventually, you don't want to be picking this up with your fingers. There is a lid lifter, which I do have one with me, that you can hook in and lift it off the top if you want without burning your hands. So that's the lid. More packaging, and then inside we have the cast iron pot. So you can get these with and without feet. So the feet look like the feet do on the lid, but they're on the bottom of that. I personally don't buy them with the feet on, because these will go straight on my induction hob at home, so I can use them while I'm camping and cook on them at home. Quite heavy, quite a good sized pot. You will notice there's a notch in the side here and a corresponding notch in the lid. So we put those on together. Got a little arrow actually on the little arrowhead on the where that notch is. Without lifting the lid, you're using it as a Dutch oven. You've got coals on the top or whatever, you can put a thermometer through there and see what the temperature is inside the Dutch oven. These will again cook on gas, electric, induction, open fire, any heat source whatsoever pretty much. I'm going to cook tonight's meal, which I might even show you what it is, but anyway, it's a lamb and butter bean stew. I'm going to cook that in here tonight, but I'm doing it on gas because we've only just set up and we haven't made a fire yet. So that's the FT6. I'll show you some more about it in other videos. See you later. Okay, Petromax make a very nice soft bag, which is optional extra. You don't need to buy that. Don't come with the box. Nice soft bag with a nice bit of embroidery with a Petromax logo on the top. You can buy them for the HK500, the fireballs, the Dutch ovens, the K4 and the K8 rectangular Dutch oven cake cutters, except in a very nice soft bag. 2 handles, keeps it nice and protected, stops them rattling around the back of your car or your van. Zip all the way around. This will take it, fits an FT6 or an FT9. Zip in the top, all some additional bits and bobs in there, and the little 2 mesh pockets. There you go, Petromax soft bag.